If you're a small YouTuber and you are not growing, or if you're a YouTuber in general and you are not growing, your channel is not growing, that doesn't mean the algorithm hates you. The algorithm do not hate you. Do not think that the algorithm hates you. And in case you think that the algorithm hates you, then you are wrong. The algorithm doesn't hate creators. It responds to data. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining the YouTube algorithm and the things you need to know. So stay tuned and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. This is Empress Ife in the building. So if you are watching my video for the first time, don't make it your last. Keep coming, keep watching my videos. Like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell after subscribing. So let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the two main things that you need to know, which is the YouTube algorithm and the YouTube analytics. So let's get started to the YouTube algorithm. So how does the YouTube algorithm really works? So let's kill a big myth first. The YouTube does not really push your videos. People do. YouTube only send it to a small amount of people and then watch their reaction to that video. In case their reaction is impressive, they stay long, the watch time it's much, like they keep watching and they are more engaged in that particular video. It's equipped it's help YouTube algorithm to push that video to a more audience. So here are the algorithm tracks. This is how the algorithm really works. Their tracks. First is the CTR. CTR in the sense that the click-through rate, like how many people click your videos. That is the first thing this is the algorithm look at. And then the watch hour. Do they stay long? The audience retention. How long do they stay? Do they come back to watch the videos? Like, are they watching it from that first 30 seconds of your video? Like in the sense whereby they don't watch it with more than that 30 seconds, then it tells YouTube that the video cannot be pushed to a further audience. But if they watch it more than that 30 seconds or half of the video, it gives the algorithm the zeal to push it to more audience. And so then engagement, are they engaging? How are they liking the videos? Are they commenting? Are they sharing the video? And also the satisfaction, are they satisfied with your video? Because the algorithm knows that if your viewers are satisfied with the video, they will watch it to the full. They'll watch all of it. So these are the tracks. These are the things that the algorithm looks at to push your videos. And in case any of these doesn't apply to your videos, then the algorithm can push your videos to a wider audience. So these are what the algorithm look at. If the signal is strong, YouTube push your videos to a wider audience. But if the signal is weak, then YouTube cannot push that video. So the second point is the analytics you must understand. You must understand the things that entail in the analytics. So first off, the impression. And second of all, the watch time, the watch hour, and the click-through rate, the CTR, and the engagement and the satisfaction. And the means how many times does YouTube this thing push your thumbnail. So we all know that thumbnail and title is very important in when it comes to posting or making a video. When you post your videos, your thumbnail is important, your title is important. So that is what pushes others to click on your videos. Your thumbnail makes others to click on your videos, like your viewers to click on your videos. It's want to give them like, what is this video about? Is your thumbnail or your title like, in suspense? No, some titles are written in a way that you, when immediately you see it, you get to ask yourself, what is this video about? Like, I want to watch. Like, the suspense is already there. The suspense is already there. So that suspense will make people click your videos. The attraction of the thumbnail will make people or your viewers or anybody scrolling through on YouTube, when they see your video, they will be tempted to click because of your thumbnail and your title. So they will be tempted to click, and then the amount and the impression of that click-through rate, that is CTR, will make YouTube push your videos to a wider audience. That is just how it works. Also, you need to know this about the CTR. Anything below the 5%, it's the impression is poor, like it's so poor. And then from 7 to 10% is solid, like YouTube will start recommending your videos. But if the CTR is that's the click-through rate is 10% going, that means your video is doing well, like people are clicking, people are watching. And if in the case whereby people are not clicking or watching your videos, you need to fix this following things. You need to fix your thumbnail, and you need to fix your title. And to those that may not know what thumbnail really is, thumbnail is that picture, okay, that first picture that people see before clicking. Like, it's like a picture, you edit it nicely, and then you put suspense and everything in between, then you just put it in your thumbnail, like your dashboard. Go to your dashboard, your YouTube studio, just put it there, and that is what people get to see first. And your title, that is what people get to see first before they click your videos. And then the next thing is your watch hour. Do people stay to watch your videos? Like, how long do they stay? If the first 30 seconds, which I explained earlier, if people stay within 30 seconds and then they just scroll up or down, that means your videos, they don't like it. That means you have to put a lot of work in your video. That means there are things that you are not doing right, or the video is not interesting, it's not engaging enough, and you need to work on any of those videos. Some people delete their videos. Those that are not doing well, they delete it. No, do not delete any of your videos that isn't having views. If the video is not having views, don't delete it, just leave it. You need to learn from that video, and you may not know when that video will even start getting views or more views than every other of your videos. And do you know something? That video might even give you money, might even make you in the following year to come. That video that you say, oh, okay, I didn't get any views from it, that video in the following year, because people will keep watching, people want to watch. As a beginner, any video you post is not wasted. Just leave that video there, because in the future, or 2 to 3 years later, that same video will give you you will get money from that video. So do not condemn any videos, because you will get money or earn from that videos in the next year or in the following years to come. So the next thing is audience retention. The audience retention is, are they staying? Are your audience staying? Like, how long do they stay for? How long do they stay? Do they come back to watch? Are they interested in the videos? Like, all these things are what you need to look at in your analytics. And secondly, engagement? Are people liking? Are people commenting? Are people sharing your videos? And in case you are somebody who make a video and then you don't engage your audience, like, okay, subscribe, like, comment, okay, put yes in the comment section or put no in the comment section. You need to engage your viewers so that, okay, they will know that, okay, let me comment yes in the comment section. Some people, they don't engage their audience, because if you watch every of my videos, at the end I always say, okay, put this in the comment section, put that in the comment section. That is if you watch my videos to the end. So guys, so always engage your audience or your viewers. And third, and the last one, is the satisfaction. Your audience and your viewers need to be satisfied with the videos that you put up. You need to be satisfied, like they need to be satisfied. Are they satisfied? All these are what pushes your videos. Like when you meet all of these requirements, your videos will go viral, your videos will get recommended, like people will click your videos like never before. Here is how to use your analytics to grow. Some people, they don't, when they post the video, then they just leave it like that, like they are done. It's not so. It's not like that. So this is how to use your analytics to grow. First, after posting your videos, check your CTR after 24 hours. That is your click-through rate after 24 hours. Check your thumbnail, check your titles, and then after that 24 hours, there should be, your thumbnail should attract, your title should attract people to click. And then you check, if in case if that is not happening, that means there is something wrong with the title and there's something wrong with the thumbnail. So you need to cross check, and if there be the need for you to change the thumbnail and put more attractive thumbnail, then more attractive thumbnail, then you can change your thumbnail and put more engaging thumbnail. Because if your initial thumbnail isn't giving you views, the second one that you will create and put will give you views. If the second one doesn't even work, the third one, keep changing your thumbnail, okay? Because it helps you. It helps you. And then also your title, like make it engaging. If the first title is not engaging, then the second one should be. Okay, the second one should be. So you should work on your thumbnail and your title. Okay, again, that is if you are not getting views and audience or this engagement from your videos within that 24 hours. Check your titles, check your thumbnail, check everything, check your CTR. And then in case you check your CTR within 24 hours, make sure to engage your fans, your audience, like read their comments. If there is a point to reply, to engage them even more, do that. Moving on, so there are some analytics mistake that you should avoid. You and I, me too, I'm included. You and I need to avoid obsessing over subscribers. No, don't do that. Don't be obsessed over subscribers, especially if you are a beginner. Just be doing your thing. Don't even look whether you've got subscribers. You just be doing it. If you love this YouTube platform, you would just create your content post, and be careful on the kind of content you post and you create. Like, be careful on the kind of content you create and post, because I've also made a video on it, so it will appear here or here. So be careful. Not the fact that, okay, you find yourself in the YouTube platform, you just come and then start posting anyhow in any way you like. There are rules, okay? There are rules, and you need to follow the YouTube rules, the algorithm rules. You need to follow all the rules, all the YouTube rules, so that you don't find yourself wanting. I made a video on that the last week, so it will be here or it will be here, anywhere. Just click on it and then watch it. So moving on, do not copy viral videos blindly. Like, don't copy viral video blindly without improving it to add quality and so on and so forth. So the YouTube algorithm isn't your enemies. Some people, they are so somehow. They are so somehow that, okay, they see that their video is not doing well, they are not getting audience, so they think, okay, YouTube algorithm is being partial and then prefers more. There are things that you need to work on, and if you do all that I have said, your video will start going viral, your videos will start getting recommended. And then also some important key point is you check your tags and work on your categories. If you want any help on this part, just leave your comment in the comment section and I'll help you. Okay, just leave your comments in the comment section. Just say categories. Like if you're a small YouTuber and you don't know what the categories entail, just leave your comments in the comment section, or the tags, the keywords. Just leave your comments in the comment section and I will sure reply you to assist each and every one here to also grow on this platform and also be determined on this platform, because to be on this platform is not beans, it is not it. You need to have the heart, okay? You need to have the determination, the zeal, the mind to stay afloat on this platform, and you need guardians on this platform. So this video has been of any help to each and every one of you, please leave a comment in the comment section. You can type analytics in the comment section, okay? And then also subscribe, like the video, and also share the video, okay? And see you in our next YouTube growth videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell after subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and then see you in our next YouTube growth video. Bye.